Your living room shares a wall with your teenager's bedroom. Your home office is 12 feet from the TV. Your guests sleep one hallway from your master suite. This is not a square footage problem. This is a geometry problem. And the L-shaped barndominium is the structural fix that no rectangular floor plan can replicate. Here is exactly why and what it costs to build one in 2026. The problem with rectangular homes. The traditional rectangular home puts every room on one straight line, one box, one roof, one corridor connecting every person under it. Sound travels it, tension travels it. There is no escape from each other because the building was never designed to provide one. This matters more in 2026 than it ever has. Over 60 million Americans now live in multi-generational households, the highest number in modern history. Adult children returning home, aging parents moving in, remote workers trying to run a professional life from inside a family home. Every one of these situations creates the same demand: real separation between people who love each other and genuinely need space from each other at the same time. You cannot solve that with a bigger rectangle. You cannot solve it with more square footage laid out on the same straight line. The problem is structural, and the solution is a different shape entirely. An L-shaped barndominium is a steel frame structure built in two wings that meet at a 90-degree angle, one continuous roof, one shared corner, two living corridors that face different directions. That corner creates three things a rectangle cannot produce at any price. First, acoustic separation, sound from wing. A does not travel in a straight line into wing B because no straight line exists between them. The corner breaks the direct sound path without a single acoustic panel, without soundproofing upgrades, without any retrofit. The geometry handles it from day one. Second, a protected outdoor space. The inside corner of the L creates a private exterior zone, shielded from street view on two sides by the building itself. Genuine outdoor privacy without fencing every side of the property. Third, psychological separation. Walk down a hallway, turn 90 degrees, and your brain registers a different zone. You left one space and entered another. This is not interior design theory. It is how spatial cognition works in enclosed environments, and architects have used it deliberately for thousands of years. The geometry does the emotional work that a shared corridor never can. 3 privacy outcomes. 1 angle, no extra square footage. The build. For this breakdown, 2,400 square feet, 2 wings, mid-range finishes, real 2026 numbers. Long wing, 60 feet by 30 feet, 1,800 square feet. Main living, kitchen, dining, great room, master suite. Short wing, 40 feet by 30 feet, 1,200 square feet. Bedrooms, full bath, home office, or in-law suite. Total enclosed space, 2,400 square feet under one steel roof. Here is the detail most L-shaped builds overlook. The corner junction, where both wings meet, is the right location for your mechanical core. HVAC distribution, electrical panel, plumbing stack, all centralized at the hinge point. That cuts rough-in runs significantly compared to a rectangle, where utilities have to travel the full building length to reach both ends. That single layout decision saves $3,000 to $6,000 before you pour the slab. It costs nothing extra. It is just geometry working in your favor. Where every dollar goes. Foundation. Concrete slab across the full 2,400 square foot footprint with a thickened perimeter beam at the load-bearing corner. $8 to $12 per square foot installed. Budget estimate, $24,000. Steel structure and roof. The L shape requires one additional steel portal frame at the 90-degree corner compared to a straight rectangle. That frame carries the load transfer point where both wings meet. $32 to $42 per square foot for steel frame and standing seam metal roof. Budget estimate, $88,000. That corner frame adds $4,000 to $6,000 over a comparable rectangular build. It is the most important $5,000 in this project. It is what makes everything else the L shape delivers structurally possible. Spray foam insulation. Closed cell spray foam on all 2,400 square feet of walls and ceiling. $6 to $8 per square foot installed. Budget estimate, $14,000. Windows and doors. Exterior entry doors for both wings, $2,800. Interior doors for bedrooms and baths, $2,200. Windows, 14 to 18 units, $13,000. Budget estimate, $18,000. One detail worth specifying before the frame goes up: a corner window or fixed glass panel set into the interior angle of the L facing the protected courtyard. It turns a structural corner into the most distinctive interior moment in the building. Cost: $1,800 to $3,500. Add it to the window order now, retrofit it later, and it costs 4 times as much. Exterior finish: board and batten or corrugated steel siding on both wings. Budget estimate: $10,000. Drywall and interior walls, 2,400 square feet, walls and ceilings, finished. Budget estimate: $9,000. Flooring, long wing, luxury vinyl plank, 1,200 square feet, $9,600. Short wing, polished concrete or large format tile, 1,200 square feet, $7,200. Different flooring materials per wing reinforces the separation between zones at the sensory level. It is a $2,000 decision that makes each wing feel like a distinct place rather than two ends of the same box. Budget estimate: $16,800. Kitchen: one full kitchen in the long wing, semi-custom cabinets, quartz countertops, standard appliances. Budget estimate: $26,000. Bathrooms: master bath in the long wing, $9,000. Full bath in the short wing, $7,500. Half bath at the corner junction, so guests never need to walk through either private wing, $3,500. Budget estimate: $20,000. HVAC: this is the L-shape's second major financial advantage. 2 wings running in different directions means 2 smaller zoned units instead of one oversized central system pushing air through long, inefficient duct runs. $5,500 to $7,500 per unit installed. Budget estimate: $13,000. Each wing controls its own temperature. The office runs at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The master suite runs at 72 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermostat argument ends the day you move in. Plumbing: full kitchen and bathroom, rough in and finish. Utilities centralized at the corner junction. Budget estimate: $13,500. Electrical: complete electrical throughout both wings. Exterior lighting on the courtyard face. Budget estimate: $11,000. Protected courtyard: stained and sealed concrete, approximately 400 square feet, $6 per square foot. Budget estimate: $2,400. This is the outdoor space the building creates by existing. It is not enclosed. It costs a fraction of finished interior square footage, and it becomes the most used space on the property. Site work, permits, and miscellaneous. Budget estimate: $12,000. Total: $277,700 complete. Cost per enclosed square foot: $116. Cost per square foot including the protected courtyard: $101. 3 privacy problems the L-shape solves. Problem 1: noise between generations. The number 1 complaint in multi-generational homes is noise. Not conflict, not lifestyle differences, noise. It is a physics problem, not a feelings problem. Sound travels through the shared walls, shared hallways, and shared ductwork. In a rectangular floor plan, there is no passive barrier between zones. The only fixes are expensive retrofits added to a geometry that was working against you from the start. The L-shape's corner interrupts direct sound paths structurally. Locate a mechanical room, laundry, or storage space at the corner junction, and you add a mass buffer between the 2 wings using space already in the build. No retrofit, no added cost. A decision made before the concrete sets that pays off every single evening for the life of the building. Problem 2: zero privacy at the front door. In a rectangular home, the front door opens directly into the shared corridor. Guests walk in and have visual access to the full length of the building. The bedrooms, the home office, the personal spaces, all visible from the entry. Privacy means closing doors and hoping. In an L-shaped build, orient the main entry at the corner junction. Guests arrive at the hinge point of the 2 wings. They access the public side: kitchen, dining, great room. The private wing is behind a 90-degree turn they have no reason to make. The geometry controls access without a lock on a single interior door. This is one of the oldest ideas in residential architecture. Every culture with enough space eventually separated the public face of the home from its private interior. The L shape does it with structure, not house rules. Problem 3. Outdoor exposure on every side. A rectangular home's rear and side yard sits open to neighbors on 2 or 3 sides. Recovering that privacy means fencing, screening, and landscaping, a budget item today and a maintenance task every year after that. The inside corner of the L creates a protected outdoor zone, shielded on 2 sides by the building itself. A 400 to 600 square foot courtyard in this configuration is private from street view without fencing those 2 sides. It costs $2,400 to finish as a stained concrete patio. An equivalent fenced and landscape privacy solution on a rectangular lot runs $8,000 to $15,000 and still does not provide the structural enclosure the L-shaped building creates passively, because in an L-shaped build, the building is the enclosure. Who this build is right for? The L-shaped barndominium is not right for every situation. The roofline is longer than a comparable rectangle, which adds marginal cost. The corner junction needs proper structural engineering, especially on exposed sites with no wind protection. Both are manageable with a qualified engineer involved from the start. Neither is a reason to walk away from the layout, but both belong in the conversation before the first line goes on a floor plan. It is the right build if you are housing 2 generations and both sides need genuine separation, not a bedroom at the end of a hallway with a hollow core door between their world and yours. It is the right build if you work from home and need a wing where professional life happens without family life bleeding through the wall. It is the right build if you want outdoor privacy that belongs to the household, not to the neighborhood's sightlines. And it is the right build if you want a structure that can change. The short wing that starts as a guest suite becomes an in-law apartment when the situation shifts. The separate entry is already there. The acoustic separation is already built in. Nothing gets retrofitted because the geometry anticipated the need from the start. The L shape does not cost more than a comparable rectangle. It costs a similar amount and delivers something a rectangle cannot produce, because the limitation of the rectangle is never the budget. It is the shape. $277,700, 2,400 square feet, 2 wings, 1 protected courtyard, 1 90-degree angle that solves the privacy problem no amount of rectangular square footage ever could. Drop your situation in the comments, how many people you are building for, and your target square footage. I will tell you whether an L shape fits your case. Subscribe for barndominium breakdowns with real numbers and no sponsorships. See you in the next one.